That was yeah, Rosie.
We're about to snap, Lee. We good. Set, go. Oh, wrong fake.
Y'all
what I told y'all, the first play is a tutty, nigga. The first play is a fucking tutty, nigga.
Good job. Good job.
He running again. Oh my goodness, fellas. Big boom. Oh, damn, Shane. Oh.
God damn. You got a yard. Congratulations. Look at this nigga. Don't do us over here, nigga. Don't do us over here, nigga. Fuck over here.
Yeah, Hendo.
Fuck over here.
Peter. Down. Say go. Outside. Outside. Go outside. That shit, yeah.
This nigga, Chris.
15 might be hot. We good. 9 might be coming. Down.
Nigga,
Set. Go. Down. Chris, 92. But if you was outside.
These niggas just playing really
we good.
Like,
set.
Weird.
Go.
That's complete.
But fucking listen to me, boy.
What
There
happened?
we go, my nigga. There we go. That was beautiful.
What? That give us time. Let's talk about it, fellas.
They line up like that again, go, Darrius.
Yeah.
Hendo, kill Corey. Kill him. Milan, line up Corey.
D'Anthony, womp.
Yeah, Darrius. Yeah, Darrius.
Watch the ball. Daniel, back up. Watch the ball. Yo, Darrius, back up. Put it back. Pass! Pick.
Yeah, he got one. Yes.
Hold that, bum ass niggas. I wish we could dig this nigga out the fucking dirt so we could repeat the body.
Yo, what's going on?
Hell nah, stupid.
Sit.
He told me to get comfortable. Yeah. If you want to count this fourth down shit when they ain't catch it, that shit was it's this nigga.
Better be ready, boy. Better be ready, boy.
Blocker.
The blocking care.
That's a blocker.
The blocking care. Again. Niggas be thinking too. They don't think the complex shit. They think they invincible.
One touchdown.
Man, that should be matter. They be big on them zeros, man.
This dumb ass. Y'all been going on 2 all game. What the fuck? What are we doing? Yeah, he's open. Yeah. He's open. Yeah.
Oh, man. That's a 6. That's
all game, bro. You've been on 2 all game.
Our bubbles on
How you still fucking that up?
Our slots.
It's been on 2.
Running that bitch. It's crazy.
That nigga wanted the ball to do nothing.
Strap that helmet up, brother.
You knew you were getting the ball to it.
19 hot. Sit.
Look at his dance stance.
Stop playing with me. What you at? Yeah, nigga, stop playing with me. I told you. You ain't gonna see shit, nigga. I told you. I'm like that, nigga. Stop playing with me. I told you that.